Welcome. My name is Kaye Jeter. Welcome to At Faith and Peace Journey. Have you ever felt like the world's chaos is stealing your peace? Like no matter how hard you try, the weight of life just feels too heavy? That's exactly why I wrote my new book, Faith Reclaimed, Finding Peace and Hope in God's Promises. It's for anyone searching for strength and clarity when life feels overwhelming. Here's one of my favorite lessons from the book, the power of meditating on God's promises. Everybody knows Psalm 23, 1 and 3. It reminds us, the Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He maketh me to lie down in green pastures. He leadeth me beside the still water. He restoreth my soul. Think about it for a moment. He restoreth my soul. Sometimes we're so busy chasing solutions, we forget that God is already offering us restoration if we'll just pause and let Him. Meditating on a verse like this, even for a few minutes a day, can transform how we face our struggles. That's just one example of the hope and peace waiting for you in Faith Reclaimed. This book is filled with devotionals, prayers, and scriptures to guide you through life's challenges and help you rediscover God's promises. It's now available on Amazon. Grab your copy today and start reclaiming your faith and peace. Let me know in the comments what verse brings you the most comfort. I'd love to hear from you. And don't forget to follow at Faith and Peace Journey for more inspiration.